The Nokia Magic Max 5G 2026 is finally here, and the first impressions suggest it could be a true contender in the premium smartphone space. Nokia has clearly focused on combining sleek design, robust build quality, and flagship-level performance into one device. The phone boasts a vibrant AMOLED display with a high refresh rate, making everything from scrolling to gaming look smooth and immersive. Under the hood, a top-tier 5G capable processor paired with ample RAM and storage ensures fast performance for multitasking, gaming, and AI-driven features. The camera system is impressive, offering versatile shooting modes, high-resolution sensors, and advanced video capabilities that make it perfect for both photography enthusiasts and content creators. On top of that, the large battery with fast charging support keeps the device running all day, while modern connectivity features like NFC, Wi-Fi 6E, and enhanced security options round out the package. Early impressions indicate that the Nokia Magic Max 5G isn't just about nostalgia or brand loyalty. It's a serious, modern flagship that can compete with the best phones of 2026.